If you've been waiting for a long time and wondering if God has forgotten you, this message is for you. Don't skip it. What you're about to hear might change the way you see your situation and renew your hope again. My child, I know you have been waiting for a long time. There were nights when you cried silently and days when you smiled in front of people while carrying pain inside your heart. You prayed, trusted, hoped, and believed. Yet it seemed like nothing was changing. But today, I want you to hear my voice clearly. Your waiting season is almost over. I have not forgotten you. I have not ignored your prayers. Every tear you cried, I saw it. Every prayer you whispered in secret reached heaven. Even when you felt abandoned, I was standing beside you. Even when doors closed, I was protecting you from what was not meant for you. Do not think your waiting was wasted. I was preparing you while you were praying for the promise. I was strengthening your faith while you were asking for answers. I was teaching you patience, wisdom, and trust. The delay was never meant to destroy you. It was meant to prepare you for something greater than what you imagined. Many times, you asked, Lord, when will my breakthrough come? And I tell you now, the season is changing. What seemed impossible will begin to move in your favor. The doors that remained shut for years can open suddenly. The answers you waited for can arrive unexpectedly. I am able to change your story in one moment. Do not lose hope now. You are too close to give up. The enemy wanted you to become tired and stop believing. But I am renewing your strength today. I will restore your joy. I will restore your peace. I will restore what was stolen from you. There were moments when you compared your life to others. You watched people around you move forward while you remained in the same place. You wondered if I blessed everyone except you. But my child, your journey is different. What I have prepared for you requires timing. I do not rush my plans because my plans are perfect. Trust me one more time. Pray one more time. Believe one more time. Do not allow disappointment to silence your faith. The same God who opened the Red Sea, healed the sick, and raised the dead is still working in your life today. I know the financial pressure you have been carrying. I know the burden that keeps your mind restless at night. I know the prayers you have repeated over and over again. Nothing is hidden from me. I am your provider. I am your healer. I am your defender. I am your peace in troubled times. The waiting season taught you to depend on me instead of depending on people. Some people walked away because they could not go where I am taking you. Some opportunities disappeared because I had something better ahead. Do not cry over every closed door. Some doors were closed by my mercy. My child, stop speaking defeat over your life. Do not say, nothing will ever change. Do not say, maybe God forgot me. Speak faith. Speak hope. Your words carry power. Declare that better days are coming. Declare that your breakthrough is near. Declare that my favor surrounds your life. There is a blessing connected to your perseverance. You kept going when life became difficult. You kept praying when answers delayed. You kept trusting me through heartbreak, confusion, and pain. And because you did not quit, you will see my goodness. I am opening new opportunities for you. I am bringing divine connections into your life. I am removing hidden obstacles from your path. What took years of struggle can change through my power. Do not focus only on what you see. I am working behind the scenes, even now. The tears you cried in private will become testimonies in public. People who doubted your future will witness my hand upon your life. The story is not over. I still have the final word. Do not fear the future. I already stand in your tomorrow. I know every detail of your life. Nothing surprises me. When you feel weak, lean on me. When you feel afraid, pray. When you feel uncertain, remember my promises. I need you to stay faithful in this season. Continue walking with me. Continue reading my word. Continue worshiping even before the breakthrough arrives. A grateful heart attracts my presence. Some blessings arrive quietly. Some miracles happen suddenly. One phone call can change your situation. One opportunity can shift your future. One prayer can open heaven over your life. Never underestimate what I can do. I am healing broken hearts. I am restoring families. I am lifting burdens. I am making a way where there seems to be no way. I am turning pain into purpose. I am turning delays into testimonies. The waiting season may have exhausted you, but it also made you stronger. You learned how to survive difficult days. You learned how to trust me in uncertainty. You learned that my presence is more valuable than temporary comfort. Do not return to fear now that your season is changing. Walk forward with confidence. I go before you. My hand is upon your life. No weapon formed against you will prosper. No attack of the enemy will stop my purpose for you. My child, release the bitterness, release the disappointment, release the pain from the past. You cannot step into a new season while holding on to old wounds. Forgive, heal, move forward with faith. I know you became tired of waiting for love, waiting for restoration, waiting for financial stability, waiting for peace, but I tell you again, your waiting season is almost over. Do not measure my timing with human understanding. I move at the perfect moment. The blessing coming into your life will remind you that I was with you all along. You will look back one day and understand why certain things happened the way they did. What confused you now will make sense later. Do not stop praying because heaven is listening. Do not stop believing because miracles still happen. Stop hoping, because I am still working. You are entering a season of answered prayers, a season of restoration, a season of unexpected favor, a season where doors begin to open, a season where peace replaces anxiety, a season where joy returns to your heart. Keep your eyes on me, not on the storm around you. Peter walked on water only while he focused on Jesus. Fear will sink your faith if you allow it to control your thoughts. Trust me completely. Some of you listening to this message have been secretly battling discouragement. You smile outside while fighting heavy battles inside. But I am giving you strength again. I am breathing new hope into your spirit. You will rise again. I did not create you to live in constant fear and defeat. You are called to walk in faith. You are called to overcome obstacles. You are called to shine even in dark seasons. The enemy whispered that nothing would change, but my voice is greater than every lie. I say restoration is coming. I say healing is coming. I say breakthrough is coming. I say peace is coming. Do not allow temporary struggles to make you forget eternal promises. This difficult chapter is not your final chapter. Morning always comes after the night. Joy always comes after seasons of pain. My child, remain humble when the blessings arrive. Remember who carried you through the difficult days. Remember who protected you when you could not protect yourself. Remember who made a way when there seemed to be no way. I am proud of the way you continued fighting through hard seasons. You may not realize how much you have grown. The person you are today is stronger, wiser, and more faithful than before. Continue trusting me, even when you do not understand everything. Faith does not require full understanding. Faith requires surrender. Your waiting season is almost over. The crying will not last forever. The struggle will not last forever. The delay will not last forever. I am bringing new beginnings into your life. Prepare your heart for what is coming. Pray with expectation. Wake up with hope. Speak with faith. Walk with confidence. I am opening doors no one can shut. I am making rivers in dry places. I am bringing light into dark situations. I am restoring the years the enemy tried to steal. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. I am with you always. Hold on a little longer. Trust a little deeper. Pray a little stronger, because your waiting season is almost over.